Good afternoon and welcome. My name is Nancy McElhaney. I will be your host this afternoon as we talk with famed director Tim Burton. Tim, I just got a few questions for you here about your life and career. First thing I'd like to know, what's your favorite award that you have won for directing, producing a movie?
Well, I'd have to say that my favorite and most recent award would have to be winning a Golden Globe for Sweeney Todd. It won Best Motion Picture for a musical or comedy, and I'm very proud of this. I was nominated for Best Director, but unfortunately didn't win.
Alright, it looks like you have done at least 5 movies with Johnny Depp. What can you say about working with him?
Well, I think he's a phenomenal actor, and really, after working with him on Edward Scissorhands, I knew that he had some talent, and continued to use him with Sleepy Hollow, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. He did a voiceover for Corpse Bride, and was also the lead in Sweeney Todd, which, as I just mentioned, was nominated for Best Director and did win a Golden Globe. Currently, he's helping me as we're working on Alice in Wonderland, which should be coming out sometime in the near future.
Another person in the movie world that you've been able to work with on several occasions is Danny Elfman. I know that he initially did the music for Pee-wee's Big Adventure. What other movies have you been able to work with him?
Well, I was always a fan of Danny Elfman's work, and it looks like we were able to work together on Sweeney Todd as well, and also Ed Wood, which not a lot of people have seen or remember, but it was still a phenomenal film, and I am so thankful to Danny Elfman for being able to help me in both of those ventures.
In Edward Scissorhands, you were able to work with Johnny Depp again, and we've already mentioned how many movies you've been able to work with him. What can you tell us about Edward Scissorhands?
Well, I co-wrote Edward Scissorhands, and it eventually was turned into ballet. In 2005, it first aired. It is now toured the UK, the US, Canada, and parts of Europe, and I think it's amazing that they were able to take this beautiful, wonderful movie that I directed and co-wrote and turn it into something as wonderful as a ballet.
The Nightmare Before Christmas was your first animated film. What can you mention about this?
The Nightmare Before Christmas was a stop animation film, and I was fortunate enough to work with Henry Selick on this one. We also were able to work on James and the Giant Peach for this. Unfortunately, I was not able to direct, even though I did write and produce this film, because there was a conflict with Batman Returns, but I still think it's just a phenomenal movie, and I was excited that I was able to accomplish what I did.
As a final note, as we've kind of gone over your career, your next project due out is Alice in Wonderland. What can you say about Alice in Wonderland?
Well, Alice in Wonderland will also be featuring Johnny Depp as Mad Hatter. We've got some other big names: Anne Hathaway, Alan Rickman, Crispin Glover, Matt Lucas. Lots of great actors to help with this. It's hoping to be coming out sometime in 2010, early 2010, so that's the next thing you can look for.
Well, great. Thank you so much for being here today. Signing off, this is Nancy McElhaney. Have a great day.